On January 27, 2025, the White House Office of Management and Budget, OMB, issued Memorandum M-25-13, ordering federal agencies to temporarily pause all activities related to the obligation or disbursement of all federal financial assistance. This directive, signed by Acting OMB Director Matthew Veith, aimed to align federal spending with the Trump administration's priorities, including eliminating programs related to woke ideology and Marxist equity. Although the memorandum specified that programs like Social Security and Medicare would not be affected, its vague wording led to confusion about the actual scope of the pause. Reports emerged of disruptions in Medicaid reimbursements and funding for programs such as Head Start, which provides early education to low income children. The reaction was swift. Democrats and civil society organizations criticized the move, calling it unconstitutional and arguing that it usurped Congress's authority over federal spending. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer described the action as illegal and destructive, while Senator Patty Murray called the pause an unlawful overreach. On January 28th, federal judge Lauren Allah Khan of the District of Columbia issued a temporary suspension of the order, halting the federal funding pause just minutes before it was set to take effect. The judge scheduled a hearing for February 3rd to further evaluate the case. In response to the judicial suspension and mounting public pressure, the OMB issued a new memorandum on January 29th, rescinding Memorandum M-25-13. The brief statement read, OMB Memorandum M-25-13 is hereby rescinded. If you have questions regarding the implementation of the President's orders, please contact your agency's general counsel. This episode has sparked a significant debate about the limits of executive power concerning federal spending control. The 1974 Impoundment Control Act prohibits the President from withholding funds allocated by Congress for political purposes without congressional approval. Some legal experts argue that the Trump administration's action could violate this law, potentially leading to further legal challenges and even a Supreme Court review. Furthermore, the situation has highlighted the tensions between the executive and legislative branches of the U.S. government. While the administration argues that the pause was necessary to review and ensure federal funds align with the president's political priorities, critics maintain that such action undermines Congress's authority and could set a dangerous precedent for future budget control conflicts. In summary, the OMB's reversal of Memorandum M-25-13, following a court suspension and intense public backlash, underscores the complexities and challenges inherent in the balance of power within the U.S. government. It also emphasizes the importance of clearly defining each branch's roles and responsibilities in managing public resources.